Hello, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the very first live session that I conduct using my account, this account. Okay, what's going on, friends? Hi. Okay, so now let's take a look at the chart. Right now I'm using Moomoo app to take a look at the chart, and today it has been pretty red. Okay, it's quite red today. The Clover is down by 3%, GameStop 1.32, AMC 3%, MVIS, Microvision 2%, Senseonic, Tesla, everything is down. Oh my gosh, I feel like buying more. Hi guys, can you guys hear me properly? Just want to make sure that my live sounds great. Okay, so now let's take a look at Moomoo. As you can see, right now Clover has gone down by quite a fair bit. Okay, so this is the Moomoo app that we can see to check different stocks. But then let's take a look at the website. Hello, hi. Welcome to the live session. Just trying out. This is my very first live session. So if there is anything to improve, please let me know in the comment section. I'm more than willing to, learn how to do better live sessions. Yes, my first live. Okay, if the music is too loud or too soft, please let me know as well, so that I can improve on it. So this is TradingView, and right now Clover has gone down for quite a fair bit. So let's take a look at the 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is a 1 minute chart for Clover. As you can see over here, oh my gosh, it has been pretty red since the market opened. Alright. Okay, so today I'll be talking about following the chart, and then I'll be talking about Clover, as well as a little bit on my story on why I decided to do this YouTube video. Okay, hi Jennifer. Oh, so basically, yes, I'm still holding onto my Clover. Okay, so what are my favorite memes? There are a lot of I like a lot of memes, so I show you guys this particular memes over here. Okay, I'm sorry, the live seems to be a bit all over the place. I'm trying my best to get my life properly. So anyway, I'd like to take a look at this account. Time to follow it. Stock trading memes. So first and foremost, watch the first green candle of the trade, watching the subsequent red candle. That's us for the past few days. For the past, I think 1 week for majority of the meme stocks. So it's pretty sad. Hopefully there's a reversal coming soon. Yes. Okay, now let's take a look at the Clover chart, the 1 minute chart over here. And as you can see, right now Clover is trying to bounce back up to $10. This is a 5 minute chart over here. I would say that reversal is coming. There was this deep drop, and right now we are kind of reversing up. Hopefully, we bounce back up, because after 4-5% yesterday, I think right now we are experiencing this pullback. Okay, so apart from meme stocks, I do have other stocks in my portfolio. Of course, Amazon is one of them, and Amazon have been doing pretty well, which I'm very glad. Yeah. So the market is not moving much. So let's take a look at some memes to get through this red day. Yes, position I'm back holding. Gosh, the market recovered today, so your trading account recovered as well. Okay, now let's take a look at the Clover community, Reddit community. So let's see what is going on over there. By the way, this is my Reddit account. I only have 24 karma, which is pretty sad, because I just created this Reddit account particularly for my channel over here, but I couldn't post anything on Reddit because I only have 24 karma, so it's pretty sad. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Hedges have borrowed 2 million shares to dump this morning. We might see a drop of flatline today because of that. This means that they are scared. Okay, now let's take a look at the chart and see what's going to happen. Yes, I love the Reddit community too. They they have a lot of good stuff, due diligence, and honestly I learned a lot on the Reddit community, because if you guys don't really know about me, I am currently a college student studying business, majoring in accountancy, and I've learned a lot of discounted cash flow, a lot of boring stuff. But ever since I joined the Reddit community, I actually learned a lot of things beyond whatever I've studied in school. So for example, reading the SEC filing. Okay, how to read and what does it mean. So the Reddit community actually makes sense for me, make it easier for all of us to actually understand what is going on. So this is the chart for Clover. I'll show you guys this. Yes, I'm in accountancy. Yeah, sadly, I'm in accountancy, and I think I'm a business kind of person, but yeah, accountancy. So I'm still learning the ropes to be a better accountant, to be how to be an accountant or audit or tax or whatever. Yeah. Gosh. Now let's take a look at this. Okay, I can prove that we have bottomed using dark pool data. Okay, it was a big day for Clover. We finally saw green after beating these past few weeks. When price spiked today, I initially thought that it was because of the failed to deliver, which should have been purchased around at this time. So for those that don't know what FTD is, basically it means failure to deliver. Oh my god, what is this? Yeah, it's safe. Okay, so failure to deliver refers to a situation where one party is in a trading contract, whether it is shares, futures, options, or forward contract. It does not deliver on their obligations. Such failures occur when a buyer, the party with a long position, does not have enough money to make delivery and pay for the transaction at settlement. So a failure can also occur when the seller, the party with a short position, does not own or any of the underlying assets required at settlement and so cannot make delivery. The most recent data I can find states 2021-0614, June 14. It was 400,860. No, what am I talking? Oh my god. 486,246, aka this would need to be bought back off the open market. I do not have supporting evidence, but I believe we saw it happening back in June 29 when there was an unusually high spike in volume midday. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but you know, we just gotta hope for the best for Clover. So now let's, yes. Actually, I've been looking at, you know, some of the stocks over here, which is hold on, I was talking to my friend about it. Now that I'm live, kind of having a brain fart. Oh. I think it's here. Okay, so one of it is the Beachbody. One of it is the Beachbody, and right now, I mean, for the past few days, it has gone down for quite a fair bit. All right, from close. Whoa, it went close to 19 and then dropped quite. So let's take a look at the. Oh my, it went close to $19. Oh shoot, that's insane, man. Yeah, I did a video on Beachbody. I thought, you know, it's gonna fly up after the merger, but apparently it got shorted pretty heavily, so ooh. But then at this price point, I think it's pretty good. Anyway, Amazon has been going up quite a lot recently, which is a good sign. I bought it quite high at around 4,000 ish, 4,000, and then it dropped. I buy the dip, and then like right now it's, oh yeah, whoa, what, yeah. You know, with this kind of trading thing, remember I said I did a video on the Beachbody. I thought it's gonna fly up to $20, $30, but you know, unfortunately it didn't. You know, things happen, and this is the problem with, you know, spec stock, where, you know, acquisition stock. The hype is there, you know, you thought it's gonna go up big time, but eventually it is not. It is just got shutted down very, very badly. But thankfully, you know, I didn't buy when it is at $12. All right, I didn't buy when it's $12. I bought when it is quite at $10, $9. So right now, if, you know, strictly speaking, we are still losing money. If you anyway, guys, in case you are wondering why I'm trying to, like, you know, trying to enlarge this thing, is because this is my first time using the Moomoo app. Okay, I've been using my phone to take a look at Moomoo, because I always, if I want to, you know, draw the lines and everything, I always look at the trading view, or sometimes I take a look at, you know, different platform, or within the Moomoo app you can draw, you can do a lot of things, which is quite easy as well. So that's the reason why I use my Moomoo app to, you know, trade, and as well as use Tiger app to trade, because it is so easy, so convenient that, you know, with just a click, just clicking it, you know, how much you want to buy, what's the price target and stuff like that, you'll be able to buy whatever you want to buy. So that is the beauty of it. Now let's take a look at Clover, and let's see how we can move forward from here. So okay, right now we are at $9. Okay guys, so right now I think I'm gonna do a slight technical analysis over here. So if you guys are new here, do stick along and let's talk it out, okay? Because 6-7% is really tough for a day. Okay, so over here right now we are at $9.10, 14, 15 cents, and it doesn't feel good, right? It doesn't feel good. Okay, so within the minute chart over here, I'm sorry. Okay, so the 1 minute chart over here, as you can see, we went up substantially 7% a few days ago. What am I talking? Oh my god, please pardon me, this is my first live session. Okay, so yesterday we went up 7%. Okay, went up 7%, and it was pretty awesome. Okay, went back up. A lot of us thought that it is a reversal, but it is not. Then straight away we drop back down. Right now we're at $9.17. It's pretty disgusting. Okay, it's pretty disgusting. Let's hope that the reversal is coming. But then again, as you can see over here, we are forming higher highs and higher low. Okay, because this, I believe, is the bottom at $8.86. and this is the bottom, and then higher highs, higher lows, and then here. So let's hope that, you know, there's a bounce going on, and then slowly we bounce up every single day. So that's what I hope to see for Clover for the next few days or so. But in any case, if you didn't buy options, you bought shares, I think there isn't much for us to be worried, because I mean, personally, because if you look at it in a longer perspective, I think Clover has what it takes to go to $20 or even $30, $40, $50. Yeah, I do see a potential of Clover hitting there. So if you don't need that money urgently, you can keep the money in whatever brokerage you want to use. Then personally, I'll just keep it there. Understand that, you know, right now we are seeing red. It is disgusting, it is sad, but I guess at this point of time, what we can do is just buy the dip and then wait for it to bounce back up, you know. So yeah, that's the situation for Clover. Okay, so let's take a look at GameStop. GameStop, just like, you know, all the momentum stocks, I don't want to call it meme stocks, I call it momentum stock, because it is not meme. You know, I don't know why people call it meme stock, but whatever. Anyway, so all the momentum stock drop 3, 4, 5, 6%, and it is quite sad to see. So GameStop is the momentum stocks, and it has been red for quite some time. Okay, and let's zoom out 30-minute chart to see what's going on. Okay, so as you can see over here, you know, GameStop have had pretty awesome run, and then it has just been consolidating. I wouldn't say consolidating, but rather we are seeing this downward trend for GameStop. Oops. Yeah, we are seeing this negative downward trend over here, which I don't want to see. But if we need to, I think we need to break this downward trend. If not, it will continue to go. Sad to say so. But then, of course, what is the, you know, support line, the resistance line? Yep, this is the support line over here, and I guess, you know, GameStop gotta push forward, because right now it is at its 200-day moving average. So what it needs to do is to bounce up. So if you guys are thinking of, you know, getting to GameStop, this is a pretty good entry level. Okay. Now let's take a look at AMC. Alright, AMC is my very first momentum stock. I bought AMC where at the previous squeeze to $20, and then it was down quite heavily. You see, this $20, and then it dropped down to $5, and then it continuously climbed back up. And then there was this massive squeeze over here to $70, and for those of you who sold at $70, congratulations. And then if you guys buy, make sure you guys buy back at $30. That would be awesome trade. It went back up to 60, and right now we are dropping. So let's take a look here. This, okay, right now we are at this particular support line, and you know, this might signal a George W, right? A W wave, moving back up even higher. Of course, it will not go high like that. So yeah, all dropping. That's right, you're right. All the stock dropping. So it is not your particular stock, be it Clover, be it AMC, be it GameStop, anything, right? Everything dropped quite a fair bit. So it sucks. It doesn't feel good, definitely. But days like this where you need to ask yourself, why do you buy the stock in the first place? And if you have conviction on why you buy the stock, what made you buy the stock, then just what I would do is I would just buy the dip and see what I can do with it. Because on days like this, it's very tempting to wanting to sell, but if you sell, then because all of us should buy the dip instead of sell the dip. So if you guys sell the dip, but of course that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be disciplined, in a sense that if you look at it and then if it broke certain resistance line or whatever line that you set yourself to have, if it broke it, then sell to prevent further losses, then I think it is okay. Yeah, because right now Clover is hovering at this support line, so I think it's alright. Buy the dip over here and then wait for it to go up. Personally, what I did was that I bought some calls a few days ago and it went up, so I think it's a pretty good sign. I'm pretty happy about it. But then again, that win is just one of the many loss. Like that, it is not enough to cover the losses that I incurred at this point where it dropped 10%. So the little trade that I made to make my loss not so substantial. So now that we look at the chart, let's take a look at the comment on the Moomoo app, because I'm not sure whether your app have it, but apparently Moo app have a comment section, or Tiger app there is a comment section. So don't panic, don't sell. Hopefully this is the rebound of the long downtrend. So a lot of people are saying gonna have short squeeze later. Always sell at the yes, don't. Some people will just sell at the dip. I don't know why. So don't be that person. But then again, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people who bought Clover, AMC at high, a lot of them are down 30%, 40%. So we just hope for the best. Hopefully it doesn't go down anymore. But then again, you just gotta ask yourself once more, what the company does. Does the company have any future, and what's the short squeeze potential like? So if you guys watch my video or other YouTubers' video, you guys know that Clover have had a lot of potential for short squeeze. That's one. And number two is that Clover has huge potential to reach $20 based on its expansion plan. It's just based on the expansion plan, that the market cap double, even triple, depends on how fast it is. But then if you take a look at Clover has a long-term investment, I think that is fine as well. Yes. Yeah, the only stock right now that is on an upward trend is Wish, Context Logic. Okay, Wish. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Honestly, I think I'll do a video on Wish, because I haven't really do a lot of due diligence. Oh, Jennifer, you're that person. Did you sell the dip? Do you sell Clover or whatever, or AMC at the dip? I mean, if you sold, and I hope you can enter at a better position. Yeah, but this is Wish, Context Logic. Okay, it seems like it has a lot of short squeeze potential, and it has been down for quite some time. As you can see, from $30 drop all the way to $7, and so now we are consolidating at a higher high. So I think I'll do what's wish. Okay, so I think I'll do a due diligence sometime next few days. Okay, the reason why I bought Wish is because of the sentiment, and it looks like it has a lot of short squeeze potential, and the risk to reward ratio is there, because if you buy at this area, okay, you can set stop loss here or here, this range. Okay, so you make a 10, you set a stop loss at -10%, or if you want to buy the dip, drop back here, buy the dip, and hopefully it bounce back up. So yeah, currently I'm looking at Wish and Microvision as well. It has been beaten down ever since it went up to $28. It's quite crazy. Workhorse as well. Workhorse has crazy amount of short squeeze, okay, potential. So sometimes my gambling self will take a look at this comment section and see what is the sentiment, and see what people are talking about it, what do they feel about it, and of course take a look at the news, or take a look at the analysis on the stock. So that's about it, for today. I'll end off with some memes so that we all can laugh it off on the days like this. So I love this Instagram account, Stock Trading Memes. Deploying the buy high, sell low strategy. Jennifer, is that you? Oh my gosh. So guys, as much as I want everybody to diamond hand, do watch the chart, and if the price gonna drop further, you might want to just cut your losses and see how it goes. Wait for a better entry level. If not, my kids' college fund. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this live stream. It is my very first live stream, so do pardon me. I'll be better. I'll try to improve myself to have better streaming sessions, so that you don't get bored by my constant quietness. If not, I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, goodbye everybody. Days like this, you just gotta exit the trade and just walk around. Yep, goodbye. I'll see you around. Thank you for stopping by, and